I am Heidi Gamel with Nest Pretty. Nest Pretty is about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. And running in circles is just a little piece of that. And running in circles is about, reaching our goals 1/4 mile at a time. I call it running in circles because no matter where I live, I always find a circle to run in. I mean, that's what you gotta do. If you're ever gonna make it home, you gotta run in a circle. So welcome to my warm-up. I'm excited about a new week and just talking a tiny little bit about how amazed I am at the human body and how I go to bed exhausted at night. So exhausted that I never remember putting my head on the pillow. But then I wake up renewed, and I find that to be so fascinating. The tank is full, and we can continue on. It's fascinating. But that's one reason why I prioritize exercising in the morning, because I have more energy. I have tried throughout my lifetime to do exercising at all different times of the day. At noon, during my lunch break, at 5 o'clock after work. I've done it all. I love to get exercising done first thing in the morning though, because it's a huge check off the list. And I don't have to think about it anymore. It's done. I had the most amount of energy in the morning. Everyone's different, so you have to find what works for you, but it's such a great thing to just decide once when I'm going to do it and never have to think about it again. Ultimately, if I wake up and I don't exercise and you think, oh, I'll do it later, it's just one of those things that run, it's like a mental loop that just goes round and round in your head all day long. So just decide once and then do it. That's my little tip. Do it when you feel like you have the energy for it, for sure, because then you're going to enjoy it more. And yeah, I love the quote that energy begets energy. So when you expend energy in exercising, you actually get energy back, which is amazing. So, like, even if you're too tired to exercise, if you exercise, it will energize you. It's just one of those amazing things about the human body. That's just what I wanted to share. I read in a book recently this quote, which is just blowing my mind so much. Are you a human being? Or are you a human doing? Oh my gosh. So the more I think about that, the more I've been examining my habits, what I've been doing, my goals, and it's been pretty fascinating to see that I've been a human doing a lot. So no judgment, but I've been working on it. And waking up in the morning, getting my exercising done first thing in the morning, yes, absolutely, human doing. But it enables me to be a human being the rest of the day because I can just be like, whew, I got my exercise done, check, next. I can rest. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty, making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. And when do you exercise? Do you get it done first thing? Do you do it during lunch, or do you do it in the evening? I've been doing my exercising first thing in the morning, but then I love to do an evening walk with Judah after dinner, because that's just a really nice way to end the day. We were able to do our Sunday walk yesterday on the beach, which is a goal of mine, to be the type of couple that walks every Sunday on the beach. So we did it. It was fantastic. And sometimes it's just a matter of making a decision, proclaiming it, and then doing it. So I hope you have a fantastic day. I hope that you have made a goal for the week, and I hope you crush it. And on that note, we'll talk to you soon. Bye.